In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva easily and effectively. If you are looking to adjust the dimensions of your image for a presentation, a social media post, or any creative project, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring you feel confident about resizing any image on Canva. To begin with, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see all your saved designs or start a new one. If you have an existing project where you want to alter an image, go ahead and open it. If not, you can create a new design by selecting from the various options available on Canva's interface. Now, with your design ready and your image already added to it, let's proceed to the resizing process. First, click directly on the image you wish to resize. This action will activate the image, highlighting it with a border and bringing up a few editing tools at the top. It's important to make sure that you have selected the correct image, especially if your project contains multiple images. Once your image is selected, focus on the border surrounding it. You will notice small circles or squares placed along the edges. These are your handles for resizing. To adjust the image size, click and hold one of these handles. If you want to maintain the proportions of your image while resizing, it's a good idea to drag from a corner handle. This approach ensures that the image's aspect ratio remains the same, preventing it from looking stretched or squished. While you're dragging the handle, you'll see the size of your image changing in real time. Move the handle inward to make the image smaller, or outward to enlarge it. For a more precise adjustment, keep an eye on the dimensions appearing next to your image as you drag. If your project demands exact dimensions, like for a particular social media banner or a printed flyer, this feature can be very useful. After you've resized the image to your satisfaction, release the mouse button. Take a moment to double check that your design still appears balanced and visually appealing. This is especially critical if the resized image plays a central role in your overall layout. And there you have it, a quick, simple and efficient method to resize images in Canva. Remember, resizing images using Canva isn't just about making them smaller or larger. It's about tailoring them perfectly to suit specific needs while maintaining clarity and quality. Feel free to experiment with different sizes until you achieve the desired look. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.